The endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi complex, and the lysosome form a continuous system called the endomembrane system. The endomembrane system serves to modify, pack, sort, and transport the lipids and proteins to their respective destinations. These destinations can be within the cell or exterior to the cell. The proteins and lipids, synthesized in ER, are modified in the same organelle and transported to the Golgi complex. Inside the Golgi, they are sorted, packed, and destined to their targets. In short, the endomembrane system controls protein trafficking. Now, let us learn the components of the endomembrane system in brief. The first component of the endomembrane system is the endoplasmic reticulum. The first component of the endomembrane system is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous tubules and sacs that extends from the nuclear membrane throughout the cytoplasm. The endoplasmic reticulum possesses a lumen called the luminal space, and the region exterior to the ER is called extraluminal space. The endoplasmic reticulum can be structurally classified into two types, the rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is associated with the ribosomes on its surface. This surface attachment is supported by the proteins called ribofourin. RER is involved in the synthesis of proteins. In contrast, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not associated with ribosomes on its surface. It is involved in the synthesis of lipids and steroid hormones. Smooth ER also plays a key role in membrane biogenesis. The second structural component of the endomembrane system is the Golgi complex. Golgi complex is a stack of flattened tubules called cisternae, along with spherical structures called vesicles. The Golgi complex is present close to the nucleus. The convex side of the Golgi, facing the nucleus, is called cis face, and the concave side facing away from the nucleus is called the trans face. The movement of particles from cis face to trans face is called anterograde transport, and from trans face to cis face is called retrograde transport. Functionally, the Golgi complex receives the synthesized proteins and lipids from ER, modifies them, sort, pack, and transport them to their respective destinations. The next components of the endomembrane system are the lysosomes. Lysosomes are single membrane enclosed spherical organelles formed from the Golgi complex. Lysosomes contain a myriad of enzymes. These enzymes are called hydrolytic enzymes that can break down proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and lipids. These enzymes are active at a pH of about 5. Hence, lysosomes maintain the acidic pH to facilitate the proper functioning of these hydrolytic enzymes. The lysosomes are also referred to as suicidal bags of the cell. When a cell is damaged, the lysosomes undergo autolysis and release the hydrolytic enzymes which digest their own cell, ultimately leading to cell death. These are the details of the three organelles involved in the endomembrane system. Summary. The endomembrane system includes the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi complex, and the lysosomes. The endomembrane system serves to modify, pack, sort, and transport the lipids and proteins to their destination. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous tubules and sacs. The ER is of two types, namely, the rough ER and the smooth ER. The Golgi complex receives proteins from the ER and modifies these proteins to transport them to their eventual destinations. In the Golgi complex, the movement of particles from cis phase to trans phase is called anterograde transport, and from trans phase to cis phase is called retrograde transport. Lysosomes are spherical organelles enclosed by a single membrane and are formed from the Golgi complex. The lysosomes are also referred to as suicidal bags of the cell.